Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and narrowing causes. First, make a quick backup of contacts and photos, then free at least 500 megabytes of storage so services can run. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if third-party apps trigger the error. Safe mode temporarily disables them. If the crash stops, you'll uninstall recent apps. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Services to force stop and clear cache. This often resolves transient failures. Now you move to deeper repairs. If clearing cache didn't help, clear data for Google Play Services to reset settings and stored state. This removes temporary corruption. If that still fails, uninstall updates to revert to the factory build, then restart the phone. Sometimes a bad update causes the crash. After reboot, install the latest stable Play Services update from the Play Store or a trusted APK mirror. Updating fixes known bugs and restores compatibility with Google Apps. Finish by restoring normal state and checking sync. Remove your Google account from settings and re-add it, then open Play Store to let services reinitialize and sync. This fixes account-related crashes. If problems persist after updates and account refresh, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Make sure your backup is complete. Troubleshooting tip. If error continues, boot to safe mode again and test. If you run a custom ROM or rooted device, revert to stock firmware, because modified systems often break Google Play Services.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.